Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, June 26th, here at KIT Iizuka campus. We have a few things to explain today, so we should probably get started. I took a look at the schedule, and I'm always surprised at this, but last week was already class number 10. But if that was last week, then that means that we have now today plus next week plus July 10th only, 3 more classes left until we have to start doing our tests. And the reason why is because July 17th, that will be our Moodle test. And just like we did before, you'll be working, not with a pen and paper, you'll be working on Moodle. Then we have a conversation test on July 24th. And July 31st is an option class. The university doesn't want me to schedule that class unless I need to. So that means that there will be no class on July 31st. That means that July 24th and July 17th, class 14 and class 15 will be for the tests. There's only today, next week, and the week after that for our classes. We don't have much time left. Okay, now, what are we going to do today? Well, you can look with me here on June 19th, anybody else? June 19th, I had you do your first speaking videos, and I'm sorry, I haven't yet had a chance to look at your speaking videos, but I'm sure that some of you did very well. Some of you probably can improve a little bit. So if you think that you should try to improve your speaking videos, I made another video for you on improving your videos. So this is a video that basically goes through a lot of the things that I find my students forget when they're doing these speaking videos. Number one is, I'm sure that probably one of you were still holding your phone vertically, not horizontally. So if you've done okay, then that's fine. But I think still probably a good idea for you to check this. Everybody signed? Okay. Now that's temporarily up to you. Otherwise, your homework is you have a listening quiz, your 4th listening quiz, and you have your reflection, okay? This one is about conversation, what we call small talk, and how to be able to do that very well. Watch the video, write down your ideas, take a picture, send them up to Moodle, okay? Today's warm-up will be Quizlet, and that will be the second to last Quizlet until the end of the test. So this is Quizlet Units 9 and 10. There's one more for 11 and 12, and then that's finished. Now, last week, I wanted to try to get everyone to download. Here we are, software. Sorry. Sometimes my iPad does this. My software downloads, and some people weren't able to download the Android version of this app. But I think I found a different version of another app that will probably do just as well. So when we're finished this English explanation, I'll ask you to download that onto your computers. Okay, if you have any questions about any of this, remember you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, come to me in class. Okay, everybody, let's have a good class.